first video on this channel. So I need a me basket, which it's from the oh. Now it's more gooey or not? So let me introduce my me basket, okay? So let me show you my me basket. That is also cute. So let me introduce my best perfumes. These are so good. And my sunscreen that I already showed you guys. And my boo. I love them. I love them. So cute, right? And my woman. From Korea. Must buy. My favorite bracelet that are so good actually. Okay. This here. From India. From Pakistan. Also from Pakistan. Because I live in Pakistan. Oh. Orange. My chunkas. These are so heavy, I don't want to wear them. And these are also from Pakistan. Then my favorite nail polish. It's so good. Glossy for exploded. One more. That is so good. I love this one. And all nail polish are from Australia. Okay. And then my mobile moisturizer. That is my main basket. Okay, let's set it. All my table. It's so dirty right now. It's good. Let's talk about this, my story tracker. I want to tell you guys that is so good. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. So these days are like I have to study. Probably I have to study. And 10 means 10 I have one quiz. 16 May I have two quiz. 21 May I have one quiz, and 24 May I have one. Okay, and the fuller one 17 because it's my birthday, so I don't want to do any quiz or study. So that is my weekend. In June, Monday I have two quiz. Then I have one quiz and three OMG. And off days